Hey everyone, Technoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the blurriness on the front camera on your iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, any iPhone that you have and you're experiencing this. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do when it comes to blurriness is ensuring that the front camera is not dirty or there's dust buildup. So the camera is right in the front here, so I usually just lock the phone, take a microfiber cloth, really wipe it down sometimes with the dust, debris, and anything basically that could get in the front camera. It's going to block your sensor. Make sure it's cleaned really well. The other thing you also want to consider is that if you recently put in a new tempered glass or a screen protector, it can also interfere with that camera. And if you notice the difference between it, most likely could be that new front screen protector or a tempered glass. So you might want to remove it and put a new one or consider not using it. Again, I do recommend using a screen protector, but if it's interfering with the front camera, it's something to think about. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and check out is it's going to be if it's an app related issue where maybe the front camera works fine when you're using the actual camera. So take a selfie whenever you're doing it right now, right? Take a selfie and then compare it when it's on the app. And if it's the app, you want to ensure the app is up to date on the latest version. So in the App Store itself, in order to update the app, you're going to go to the App Store. You can tap on your profile up here. And then right here where it says upcoming update, it's basically going to tell you all the apps that need to be upgraded. For example, one issue where you may see the blurriness is on Snapchat. So you're going to go ahead and update the app and go through the list here. If it's WhatsApp video call, maybe you're seeing it updated as well. Just go through them and update the app itself. The reason why that is if you have a new phone like the iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or any of the newer iPhone, right? It is running on iOS 18 and you might have not updated the apps to that compatible version. So good to go ahead and update the apps as well. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to check out is the settings for the camera app. In your setting on your iPhone, you're going to go ahead and look for camera here. And the setting that you want to take a look at, it's going to be around lens correction. As you can see here, lens correction will distort on the front and the ultra wide angle. So you want to go ahead and turn this off and then see if that makes a difference for your camera, and then always turn it back on to see the difference between it. And you find that if that is the issue, you might want to consider turning it off or leaving it off just like that, and that might be the fix for it. So along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is the settings for a camera app itself whenever you open up an app. So on the new update, right, the iOS 18, so if you open up an app like Snapchat, so let's go ahead and open it up. So I have this one opened up right here, right? Once you open it up, you're going to pull down the control center just like this, tap on the controls up here, and you see here there's an option for you to select a mode for the camera here. If it's selected to studio light, it's going to give you a little bit more blurry. So I recommend is checking out the different options here like portrait, studio, and the combination of it. See, that makes a difference for you. I recommend just deselecting them. I find that's the best way, just to use a natural native camera. So go ahead and check that out, and it works for any app as well. We can pull down the control center when you open up the camera on that app and then select the option that fits best for you. Now, along with that is if you're still having issues on it, the next thing to do is just doing a nice force restart. So in order to do that, you're going to quickly press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. For this one, you don't want to touch the screen at all, so I'll do volume up, volume down very quick, and then I hold on to this side button just like that. It's going to say slide to power off, but you do not need to touch that. Just keep on holding that side button just like I am here until the screen goes completely black, and then we're going to wait for the Apple logo to reappear and then let go of that side button. This basically, again, shuts down the phone software, reloads the code, will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. You do not have to worry about any of that getting deleted. So let's go ahead and wait for that phone to boot up. And once you're back on, let's go back into the phone here. The last thing you're going to want to do is go into your settings, go to general, check if there's a software update. Generally, if there's a software update, it could fix the issue if it was software related thing with the iPhone. So it's always good to update your phone to the latest version. And by hopefully doing all of these steps, your front camera is no longer blurry and it is fixed. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better tip that help fix the blurriness on the front camera, do share with us in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.